Welcome to Product Plus. From innovative planters to smart irrigation tools, the gardening products reviewed above are all about making plant care easier, boosting growth, and helping you create a thriving, beautiful garden space whether you're nurturing herbs, flowers, or a full backyard oasis. All products links in the description section below. Gardening always feels easier when your tools match your pace, and this cordless tiller fits perfectly into that lifestyle. It blends power with convenience, giving you the freedom to prep soil without cords, noise, or hassle. Whether you're refreshing a small garden bed, starting a new patch, or keeping your lawn healthy, it brings smooth control and surprisingly strong performance. It's the kind of tool that quietly becomes your weekend go-to, especially if you enjoy simple, stress-free outdoor routines. And with a solid value at $129.99, you might appreciate how much smoother gardening feels with this cordless tiller. If you love keeping your outdoor space looking fresh without spending hours digging, this auger set makes the whole process feel almost effortless. Each bit handles a different task, from planting bulbs to creating neat holes for posts, lights, or umbrellas, turning weekend projects into something quick and surprisingly satisfying. Just pop one onto your drill and let the spiral design do the work. No sore hands, no slow progress. It's a simple upgrade that fits naturally into any gardening routine. And at $29.99, it's hard to beat the convenience these auger drill bits offer. Starting seeds feels more intentional when you use tools that keep your gardening simple and eco-friendly, and this soil block maker fits right into that rhythm. Instead of dealing with plastic trays or cramped starter pots, you get perfectly shaped blocks that encourage healthy roots and smoother transplants. It's a hands-on, satisfying process that turns seed starting into a calm little ritual, ideal for gardeners who enjoy slowing down and doing things the natural way. Durable, reliable, and easy to work into any routine, it comes in at $37.95, making it a smart pick for starting seeds beautifully. Getting your garden off to a strong start often comes down to understanding what's happening beneath the surface, and this soil thermometer makes that part surprisingly easy. With its long stainless steel stem and clear color-coded dial, you can quickly check compost heat, monitor soil warmth, or fine-tune planting times without guessing. It's a simple tool that fits naturally into any gardener's routine, especially if you enjoy staying in tune with your plant's needs. Accurate, durable, and effortless to use, it's priced at $24.97, making it a helpful companion for smarter garden planning. Keeping your garden peaceful doesn't have to be complicated, and this solar animal repeller blends right into the background while doing the hard work for you. With ultrasonic pulses and gentle flashing lights, it quietly encourages unwanted visitors to move along. No traps, no mess, no constant monitoring. Just place it in the yard, let the sun keep it charged, and enjoy a space that stays calmer and cleaner on its own. It's a hands-off way to protect the areas you care about. And at $25.99, it's a simple upgrade for maintaining a pest-free garden. Creating a dedicated space for your plants can transform the way you garden, and this polycarbonate greenhouse makes that feel both rewarding and manageable. Its quick setup structure helps you get started fast, while the sturdy panels and aluminum frame keep your plants protected through changing seasons. With steady sunlight, balanced ventilation, and room to move comfortably inside, it brings a sense of calm and control to your gardening routine. Whether you're nurturing seedlings or growing year-round, it's a dependable upgrade for any outdoor setup. Coming in at $189.99, it's a solid choice for a stable growing space. Turning kitchen and yard scraps into rich compost feels so much easier with a system that keeps everything tidy and moving, and this dual-chamber tumbler fits right into that routine. Its rotating design saves you from digging or mixing by hand, while the aeration holes help everything break down faster. With 2 chambers, you can keep one batch finishing while starting another, making a steady supply of compost simple to maintain. It's a low-effort way to support a healthier garden and reduce waste at home. Priced at $69.99, it's a practical upgrade for effortless composting year-round. Managing your lawn, garden, or food plots gets a lot smoother with a spreader that keeps everything consistent and easy to control. This Li-ion model gives you long-lasting power, a generous hopper, and adjustable feed settings so you can fine-tune exactly how much product you're putting down. Whether you're fertilizing in spring, seeding in fall, or spreading ice melt in winter, it fits naturally into a year-round routine. Plus, the harness keeps things comfortable while you work. Reliable, efficient, and built for steady performance, it's priced at $199.99, making it a strong option for effortless seasonal spreading. Tackling those stubborn weeds wedged between stones becomes surprisingly satisfying when you have a tool that slips right into tight spaces. This crack weeder's slim stainless steel blade cuts through moss, roots, and packed soil with ease, making paths and patios look freshly cleaned without much effort. Its beechwood handle feels light and natural in your hand, so you can work longer without strain. Whether you're tidying weekend walkways or maintaining a polished garden look, it fits effortlessly into any routine. Coming in at $13.99, it's a simple essential for cleaner spaces every time. Cleaning up your yard feels a lot less overwhelming when your tools adapt to every corner and pathway. This adjustable metal leaf rake lets you expand the head for wide lawn sweeps or shrink it down to reach tight spots around shrubs and flower beds. The lightweight, extendable handle makes it easy for anyone, kids, beginners, or seasoned gardeners to work comfortably without fatigue. Whether you're prepping for a weekend gathering or just keeping things tidy, it fits right into your routine. Coming in at $21.99, it's the perfect helper for easier yard work. Leveling your lawn doesn't have to feel like an exhausting weekend chore, especially when you've got a tool built to glide smoothly across soil, sand, or top dressing. This heavy-duty lawn leveling rake brings a perfectly balanced feel, making it easier to fix low spots, spread compost, or refresh a patchy yard before the next cookout. Its long handle and reinforced steel head give you full control, whether you're touching up a small garden area or fine-tuning a larger landscape. Priced at $59.95, it truly simplifies outdoor projects for a cleaner lawn every time. Keeping your outdoor space watered, cleaned, and looking fresh gets a whole lot easier with a hose designed for real everyday convenience. This lightweight, lay-flat garden hose won't kink, twist, or fight against you while you move around the yard, and its 9-pattern spray nozzle gives you full control for everything from gentle plant misting to a strong rinse for walkways or car washes. Durable connectors and flexible PVC material make it built for long-term use. Priced at $26.99, it's a practical upgrade for effortless watering every day. Keeping your garden protected from harsh sun, curious birds, or flying debris gets much easier when you have clips that actually stay put. These heavy-duty shade cloth locks give you a simple, reliable way to secure netting, tarps, or sunshades without fussing with tools or complicated setups. Just position, press, and you're done, perfect for backyard gardens, patio covers, camping setups, or quick fixes around the home. Durable plastic construction means they hold tight, even in windy weather. Priced at $15.95, they're a smart solution for everyday outdoor protection. Keeping your plants healthy doesn't always require complicated systems. Sometimes a simple rotating sprayer can transform the way you water your lawn or garden. This automatic rotary sprinkler delivers a consistent 360-degree spray, covering a wide 7 to 11-meter diameter while using low water pressure efficiently. It's perfect for lawns, flower beds, greenhouses, patios, and even cooling outdoor spaces during hot weather. Made from durable brass, it connects quickly to standard hoses and gets to work instantly. Priced at $12.58, it's a smart upgrade for effortless everyday watering. A reliable cutting tool can make outdoor tasks faster, cleaner, and far more efficient whether you're trimming branches, camping, or handling quick household jobs. This 9-inch portable handsaw set features sharp, triple-toothed alloy steel blades designed for smooth, precise cuts every time. The curved blade improves grip and control, while the anti-slip ergonomic handle keeps your hand comfortable during extended use. Lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, it's built for gardeners, hikers, and DIY homeowners alike. It remains a handy essential for versatile outdoor performance. Keeping your garden neat becomes so much easier with a tool that blends comfort, power, and real everyday usefulness. This cordless electric pruner delivers smooth, effortless cuts thanks to its brushless motor and sharp SK5 blades, perfect for trimming everything from small stems to tougher branches. The lightweight, ergonomic feel makes long sessions comfortable, while the built-in safety lock and LCD display keep you in control. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, you can work longer without interruptions. A smart upgrade for gardeners who want efficiency and ease, priced at $65.99 before trying it yourself. Enjoying the outdoors becomes so much more relaxing when you can sit comfortably without swatting at mosquitoes or flying insects. This patio mosquito netting creates a secure, breathable barrier around your umbrella space, giving you a protected zone for meals, conversations, or evening gatherings. The upgraded mesh material keeps bugs out while still letting fresh air flow, and the dual-sided zipper design makes coming and going effortless. With adjustable sizing that fits 7.5 to 13 feet umbrellas, it's perfect for patios, gardens, and outdoor setups, priced at $33.99 before trying it yourself. Sometimes you just want both hands free while staying shaded or dry, and that's exactly where this umbrella hat makes life easier. With its wide 37.4-inch coverage, it keeps your head, shoulders, and whatever you're carrying protected as you move around the garden, fish, hike, or work outdoors. The adjustable chin strap keeps it stable, while the heat-reflective silver coating helps you stay cooler under strong sun. Lightweight, portable, and surprisingly practical, it's a fun little upgrade that quickly becomes useful in everyday outdoor tasks, priced at $14.99 before giving it a try. Keeping your plants healthy feels so much easier when you're using a tool that actually works with you, not against you. These titanium bypass pruning shears glide cleanly through stems and small branches, helping you shape shrubs, maintain flowers, and tackle routine garden trims with confidence. The ergonomic, non-slip handles make longer sessions surprisingly comfortable, while the sap groove keeps everything moving smoothly. Lightweight but strong, they're the kind of tool you reach for again and again, especially at just $14.95 before you add it to your garden gear. Managing multiple watering tasks at once feels so much simpler when your setup works smoothly. This heavy-duty 4-way hose splitter lets you run sprinklers, soaker hoses, and handheld sprayers without constant swapping, making yard care feel more effortless and organized. The long, rubber-coated handles give you easy control, while the 360 swivel keeps everything flexible and tangle-free, perfect for busy gardens or shared outdoor spaces. Built tough to resist leaks, weather, and daily use, it's the kind of upgrade that quietly improves your whole routine. Last listed at $29.99 before you simplify your outdoor flow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.